Hi, I'm Mark Van Seidner. I'm a ranch broker with Hayden Outdoors, and today I have the honor, I have the privilege to represent a property that is so unique, so one of a kind, so special that it has to be seen to actually be believed. I want to welcome you to the Florida River Ranch right here in Durango, Colorado. This is actually where my wife and I call home as well. One of the most beautiful things that we love about Durango is the 1.8 million acres of national forest. So if you can imagine, it's just unlimited horseback riding, unlimited camping and hiking, and the hunting and fishing are just fantastic, and it's a big reason why we call this place home. One of the most unique things about this property, it is 63 acres, but it has access to the BLM land right here as well at your backyard. So that's another 550 plus acres that you can ride, you can hike, you can do whatever you like. Also, we're all along the Florida River. It runs right directly through this property as the ranch sits right on the river. I would like to invite you to come view this amazing, incredible, unique, one-of-a-kind property with me.
The Florida River Ranch sits on 63 acres with direct access to over 550 acres of BLM land and just 12 minutes from downtown Durango, Colorado. The location of the ranch is absolutely perfect, with such great access to town and only 15 minutes to the Durango airport and just 45 minutes to Purgatory for world-class skiing. The Florida River flows through the entire ranch and was completely restored, creating several waterfall features and excellent locations to relax. The river offers adjudicated water rights, which in itself is a very rare find. The ranch also features F9 water rights from the Harrison Patterson ditch, with 1.94 CFS, which is ample water that keeps the 12 large pastures green and healthy. Each pasture has loafing sheds for year-round shelter for turnouts. The hay grounds are producing roughly 3,000 bales of hay with 2 to 3 cuts per year, and nearly all the ranch equipment will be included in the sale. The ranch also features a custom pond with a beautiful waterfall for endless recreation for the family to enjoy. Originally homesteaded in 1883, the Florida River Ranch has a long and rich history. This is the ultimate custom log home, one of the best ever created by master craftsman Aaron Taylor. The home is 4,948 square feet with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, and is a masterwork of construction. The home boasts both indoor and outdoor custom kitchens, which will provide some of the best entertaining experiences. The interior consists of vaulted ceilings, granite countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and handcrafted cabinets, with the majority of the wood coming off the ranch. The showers feature heated floors, as well as radiant heated floors throughout the main home. There is also a unique bar to serve everyone's favorite beverage. The main kitchen opens to the living room area with stunning views of the Florida River. Everything in the house is voice or phone controlled, and every feature of the home can be controlled from anywhere in the world. The second story consists of a bedroom and bathroom of its own, cherry wood stairs with meticulous attention to detail, and handcrafted iron handrails. Walking out of your living room onto the back deck takes you to your outdoor living area, which features an outdoor cowboy kitchen, complete with a refrigerator, custom-built Kalamazoo barbecue grill, and a full oven. At the far end of the room is a massive wood-burning river rock fireplace and a hidden TV buried above. There is a vast wooden dance floor in the rear beside the river, which is great for parties or weddings, which the owner currently hosts for additional income. The entire ranch is equipped with a military-grade generator that can run on its own subsurface propane tank in the case of a power outage, as well as independently controlled floodlights. The ranch has 2 enormous custom barns, with the main barn having a custom 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment over top, and is now rented out for income and is regularly full. The barn features 4 foaling stalls that are well padded for the protection of your babies, and both barns are heated in the winter and have 4 large fans to cool them in the mild summers, while an automatic fly spray system keeps all your animals comfortable. Every stall has its own camera, giving you the ability to check on your horses anytime, day or night. All the concrete around the barns as well as the walkways are heated, plus a heated, insulated loafing shed barn. The ranch also holds a preferred panel walker, so you can work the horses anytime you like. This incredible ranch is being sold 100% turnkey, with all its custom-made furniture as well as the ranch equipment. For a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity at an incredible ranch, please call Mark Van Seidener today at 808-217-5473.